Are you a fashion brand struggling with slow lead time and delayed production? Leading to missed deadlines, low market adaptability, unhappy customers, and lost revenue? Introducing Vietnam Garment Production, the ideal solution for your problems. Thanks to favorable factors such as strategic location, availability for raw materials, skilled labor, and advanced facilities, we're delivering high-quality garments with outstanding lead time. To illustrate, a typical timeline for our services for casual wear production with a quantity of 1,000 pieces for one basic style is around 30 to 40 days. With more than 100 style and diverse network of fabric suppliers from Thailand, India, Korea, and China, we swiftly meet our design and material needs in just 1 to 2 days. Next, thanks to more than 150 trusted manufacturers available in our platform, we'll match your brand with the best fit partner in Vietnam right away. Once a manufacturer is selected, Inflow offers the partner with take pack for pattern and sample creation. Samples are delivered within 7 days for review before mass production. Our partner factory meet international standards, ensuring timely product quality and sustainability. On average, 1,000 pieces of casual design can be produced within 15 days. Finally, our experienced production team will thoroughly check every seam in detail before shipping to clients. With advantageous location and sufficient logistics system, we ensure fast and smooth delivery process, taking 10 to 15 days shipping to Australia and 7 to 10 days shipping to Singapore. In general, for basic apparel with a quantity of 1,000 pieces for one style, Inflow deliver an outstanding lead time for 40 days and still ensure highest level of product fineness and quality. Let Inflow handle your fashion production and supply chain while you focus on growing your brand and satisfying customers. Contact us now to collaborate and bring your vision to life faster than ever.